Alright, tank view. Alright, where can I put my voice? Hasn't changed and it might change in August, so yep. Anyways, let's do tank view. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick flash just to show all the facts, but I know it says 2015. You can't even see it. Yeah, you could now. It says, why does it look like a 6? It's 15, not 16. Why does it look a lot like a 6? Why does a 5 look like a? Why does a 5 look a lot like a 6? It's not 16. It's 15. It's not 15 in the tank. Made in China. This is why I hate these. This is another reason why I hate these shirts. They're made in China. Yep. Anyways, so here we go. Here we go. Right. Now, Intro Gaming hasn't come back from Mexico yet. Intro Gaming right now is in Mexico. Mexico, yeah. Mexico, I mean. Mexico or Mexico? Mexico, I should say. So, he's in Mexico. Yep. Alright. Yeah. Alright. That's pretty much before that. Let's see. Alright, that's all it. Let me to the tank of the car. You should be told to suck. The show should be what everyone wake back from the garbage. Anyways, yep. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Shoot. Alright. Bye, guys. Let's pause the video camera. My voice hasn't changed. It might change in August.